Hi friends, today we're going to do Module 4, Lesson 21. Our objective is represent subtraction story problems using objects. So you're going to need your cubes today, drawings, expressions, and equations. Make sure you have a piece of paper, a pencil, or your whiteboard and marker. Let's get started. All right, the first thing we're going to do is a game. So we're going to play the take away one game. I will ask you to show me some fingers. Get your fingers warmed up. Then I will ask you to take away one and tell me how many are left. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to say, show me 5. And after you show me 5, I'm going to say, take away 1. Took away my thumb. Take away your thumb with me. Good job. Now let's say the sentence and flash our fingers. 5, take away 1 equals 4. Good job. All right, let's speed it up now that we know the game. Show me 3. Good. Nice math fingers. 3, take away 1 equals 2. Great job. See if you can say the sentence before me. Show me 2. Oh, quick fingers. 2, take away 1 equals 1. Good job. Show me 4. Good. 4, take away 1. Good. And let's say the sentence. 4, take away 1 equals 3. Great job. See if you can play that game with someone in your family. I love playing that game with you, friends. All right, the next game that we're going to play, we're going to keep it on the screen so you can see my dice. We're going to roll and show less. So you can go ahead and get out your pencil or your whiteboard and your marker and play this game along with me. So I'm going to roll the dice. And you're going to draw 4 circles. Get my circles out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the name of the game is that we do one less. 4, take away 1 equals how many? 3. Good job. See if you can make that on your board and write the sentence with me. 4, take away 1 equals 3. Nice practicing. All right, let's see if we can do one more. This is another game that you can play at home. Roll the dice. Oh, that's an easy one. Let's do that one quick in our head. 1, take away 1 equals 0. Nothing. No more fingers, no more circles. Good job. Let's try a trickier one. Oh, we did that one. Silly dice. Okay, let's do this one. 2. So we're going to do 2 circles. See if you can beat me drawing 2 circles. I'm going to do green. 1, 2. Good job. And the name of the game, we take away 1. 2 and 1 less equals 1. Great job. Let's write the sentence. We start with how many we had all together. So don't forget, we need to count this one to start. 2, very good. Take away. Now, how do we figure out which one we took away? Good, we look at the picture. We look at the one that we crossed out. 2, take away 1, crossed out, equals how many left? 1. Great job, friends. All right. We are going to play one more game, and this is another game that you can play at home with your family. So we're going to play hide and see 5. So you can get out 5 cubes, like me. You can use blue, green, whichever kind of cubes you have, and you're going to show your family member how many you started with. So we started with 5, and we're going to say, how many did I put behind my back? Good, and you can use your fingers to figure this out. So if I'm showing you 3, but all together we had 5, how many must be behind my back? How many fingers are down? 2. Good job. So we know that 3 and 2 makes 5. Let's try another one. I'm starting with 5. Oh, how many did I take away? 1. 5 take away 1 equals 4. Or we can say 4 plus 1 equals 5. Great job. Let's do one more. Oh, same but different. So we're doing it in the reverse. Now I'm showing you 1, which means I'm hiding 4. Good. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Or 5 take away 4 equals 1. Great job, friends. Continue playing that game at home and see if you can trick your family members how many you hid behind your back. Great job. All right, today's application problem is all about frogs. Remember, this is math class, so we're just going to draw circles. If you have a green crayon, perfect. Go ahead and get out your green crayon so we can draw some green circles. 5 little frogs were sitting on the side of the pond. So go ahead and draw me 5 circles. Remember, we can draw it the 5 group way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was so hot. Make sure you have those 5 frogs lined up on the pond. It was so hot that 2 of the froggies decided to go for a swim. Now, how can we represent those 2 that are no longer sitting on the side of the pond? Right, we can cross them out like we've been doing. Or if you're using objects at home, you can move the objects to show that 2 of them have moved away. I'm going to cross them out. You can cross them out on your paper or your whiteboard. Good. All right, so how many frogs were still by the side of the pond? 3 frogs. Good. Let's figure out how we can write our number sentence. Which number goes first for our takeaway problem? Oh, you're right. 5, because we need to count the ones that we crossed out because they did start by the side of the pond. So 5, take away, how many did we cross out? 2 equals how many frogs left? 3. Great job, friends. All right, remember our vocabulary for this unit is all about subtraction, the act or process of taking away a number. And who is that naughty person we see right here? This naughty symbol, Linus the minus. Remember, he's naughty and he always takes away. So when we hear that frogs jumped away or someone ate cookies, that means that we are losing some of our objects and we are taking them away and we have less of something. Good. All right, back to our frogs. We're going to pretend that our cubes are frogs at home if you have some cubes, or you can watch along with me. All right, we have 5 frogs sitting by the pond. Let's take away 1 frog. What would our number sentence be? Remember, let's start with how many frogs we had all together. Count them. Good. We started with 5. Now we need to add our symbol, Linus the minus, because one of the frogs went away. So we say 5, take away 1 equals how many frogs left by the side of the pond? 4. Good job. Let's go ahead and practice this one more time. Let's put all of our frogs back. And remember, we're starting with 5, so you can leave that 5 down there for our sentence. And we're taking them away because they're hopping into the pond. 5, take away how many this time? 3. Good. 3 were so hot they jumped in the pond and left us with how many sitting on the side of the pond? 2. Good. Let's read the sentence all together. 5, take away 3 equals 2. Great job. How did you figure out that we took away 3? Oh yeah, at our picture, our drawing, 3 of them went down into the pond. Great job, friends. And the number that we have left is how many are still sitting there. Great. All right. You can pretend and use your cubes at home to play this game with frogs sitting beside the pond and jumping inside of the pond. And then writing a sentence to match your story. All right, let's go ahead and do some practice. I love ice cream. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you. Perfect. All right, Tyler bought a cone with 4 scoops. Ooh, I see a number there. I'm gonna put a little line under it. Let's change our color so you can see it. Orange. All right, 4 scoops. He ate 1 scoop. I'm gonna put a cross out that because that's how many he ate. All gone. Good, and remember you can use your cubes, so you can start out with 4 if you want to, and he ate 1, and take away 1 to play along with me. So let's cross out 1 scoop and see how many scoops are left. That will match our number sentence. Let's read it. 4 take away 1 equals, let's figure it out. 1, 2, 3. Good. You can also use your fingers, friends. 4 take away 1 equals 3. Great strategies. All right, let's see if you can answer this problem for me. There were 5 apples. Zoe ate 2. How many apples were left? Tell your partner the takeaway sentence. So tell someone at your house what the story would be. And then you can write the sentence. 5. Remember, we started with 5 apples. We've got to count all of them up. Take away. Look at your picture and see how many were crossed out. 2 equals, how many apples were left? 3. Great job, friends. Thanks for joining me.